Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update all PC drivers for free on Windows, the safe and correct way. So, let's get started. Keeping your drivers up to date is important because outdated drivers can cause slow performance, hardware issues, and system errors. First, click on the Start menu and type Device Manager. Then open it. Here, you'll see a list of all the hardware components on your PC, like display adapters, network adapters, sound devices, and more. Now, right-click on any device you want to update and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check online and install the latest driver available for that device. You can repeat this process for important sections, like display adapters, network adapters, and sound, video, and game controllers. Next, let's use Windows Update, which can update multiple drivers at once. Go to Settings, then click Windows Update. Tap Check for updates and install any available updates. Many driver updates are included here automatically. For optional drivers, click on Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. Under the Driver Updates section, select all available drivers and install them. This method is completely free, safe, and recommended by Microsoft. No third-party software needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.